Good morning, students. Welcome you all in this learning session. Dear students, today in this session we will continue our study of the chapter packing, and in this session we will study para number 6 to 9 of this chapter. Dear students, in para number 7 the narrator says that as Jerome was looking for his toothbrush in his bag, he had to remove everything, but he could not find it. He created a mess. He found his friend's brushes many times but could not find his own brush. He kept everything back into the bag one by one, shaking each item, and finally found the brush inside a boot. Then once again he repacked the bag. In para number 7, we know that when Jerome closed the bag, George asked if the soap was there inside it. As Jerome was impatient, he replied that he was not concerned if it was there or not, closed the lid and strapped the bag. Then he realized that he had packed his spectacles in it too and had to open it again to get them. Finally, the bag was closed at 10:05 p.m. Then they had to pack the food baskets. Harris said that as they were left with less than 12 hours to leave, they should pack the baskets as well. Harris decided that the food baskets would be packed by him, and George Jerome agreed to take his turn for some rest while his friends packed the baskets. Dear students, in the next para, we know that George and Harris started packing the hampers in a happy mood. They wanted to show Jerome that they could pack well. Jerome waited for them to create a mess because he considered Harris to be the worst packer in the world. Jerome looked at the piles of plates, cups, kettles, and bottles, the jars, pies, cakes, and tomatoes, which had to be packed into the hampers. He thought that as the boys would mess up, it would be an interesting thing to watch. The scene became interesting as they broke a cup at the start. Jerome says that they broke the cup to indicate that they could do that too and to make things interesting. Harris placed the jar of strawberry jam on top of the tomatoes. The tomatoes were squeezed by the jar and then they removed the damaged tomato with the help of a spoon. Next, George stepped on the butter. Jerome remained silent but sat on the edge of the table to watch the action. His silence irritated his friends. They became nervous and stepped on the things. They kept the things behind them, and later, when they wanted them, they could not find them. They placed the pies on the bottom and kept heavier things on them, which smashed the pies. Now, my dear students, it's time to answer some questions. Your first question, my dear students: how did George and Harris start their packing? Options are squeezing tomatoes, breaking a bucket, breaking a sauce plate, breaking a cup. And the right answer, my dear students, is breaking a cup. Now, second question: who trod on the butter? Options are George, Harris, Jerome, all of the above. And the right answer is, my dear students, George trod on the butter. Now, third question, my dear students: who packed the hampers? Options are Montmorency, Jerome, George, and Harris, all of these. And the options are, my dear students, George and Harris. Now, fourth and last question, my dear students: why did George and Harris' reaction irritate Jerome? Options are because he was losing a chance to educate them. Second, he wanted to supervise over them and educate them. Third, he did not like them. Fourth, none of the above. And the right answer is, my dear students, he wanted to supervise over them and educate them. Now, my dear students, meanings of some of the difficult words are given. You can take the help of these words to read the content properly and understand them properly. After the glossary, I have given you your classwork. In your classwork, I have given you 2 extract based questions and 4 short answer type questions. So, my dear students, start answering these questions in your copy. Okay. Now, I hope all of you would have understood the content properly. We will meet very, very soon. Till then, take care of you, and thanks to all of you, my dear students. Thank you.